Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing every file into one bin so you can compare them quickly. Make sure sequence settings match your primary camera so frame timing stays consistent. Once clips are in, scan audio waveforms to identify reference audio like camera scratch or clapper. You should also check sample rates and convert mismatches early, because Premiere aligns on timecode and waveform shape. Fixing rates now prevents drift later. Now select corresponding clips and move to the timeline for syncing. Next, use Premiere's merge clips or synchronize by audio to align audio and video automatically. You'll save time and get frame-accurate results. When using multi-camera shoots, create a multicam sequence and synchronize by audio or timecode to lock all angles together. If automatic tools struggle, zoom into waveforms and manually nudge clip audio to match peaks. You'll know it's correct when transients line up exactly. Once aligned, create nested sequences or consolidated clips for easier editing. To finish, check levels, mute redundant camera tracks, and pick the cleanest audio for the master track. You want consistent tone and no phasing. Then render a 5 to 10 second section across edit points to confirm sync during playback. If you notice drift later, make sure all files share the same sample rate and frame rate. If not, transcode and re-import. As a troubleshooting tip, when auto-sync fails, rely on visual waveform peaks and manual adjustment. That always solves stubborn mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.